Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will share my experience with the best flexible mobile and tablet holder under rupees 700 or $10. So without further more delay, let's begin. So before starting, just let me give you a quick overview about what you get inside the box when you purchase this flexible mobile and tablet holder. So you can see the packaging of this flexible mobile holder. So it's from the brand the X Store, your life hack store. So I'll be leaving the purchase link in the video descriptions about this product, so you can click there and check out about this product, and if you like it you can purchase from the respective online stores. So on the sidewise you can see it's some details about this, what you can do. So we're not going to discuss much about, since it is not about the unboxing. I just want to show what you get when you purchase this product. So just let me show inside the box what you get. So when you open, or first time you open the box when you purchase, you will get this kind of leaflets, some about the stores and details about some contact informations or about how to install or use this phone and tablet holders. And on the respective sites you can just check about the respective store contact numbers or emails. And the second content you get inside the box is the about, you can see, dear customer, this phone holder is deliberately made steel to hold the weight of the heavy mobile phones and tablets. After 3 years of research and development, we have developed this perfect material. Hope you like it. So after 3 years of research, they have finally developed this kind of hard and flexible mobile and tablet holder stand. So you can see this is the stand here, and you get one more. This is the holder, as you can see. So let's put the box in the side. Let's put everything on the side. Now let us unpack each one item. So you can see this is the mobile holder. As you can see, the mobile holder, so it's scratchable. You can put a 7-inch tablet, when it can hold a iPads also, even some 7-inch Android tablet also, even including the mobile phones. So and behind you can see some screws, so which I will show in the later part how to attach. And let's open this, the main part, that is the stand, which is very hard yet flexible. The bottom part is the clip attachment that you can attach with your tables or any flat surfaces. Maximum you can go up to is almost 2 finger size. As you can see, maximum wide you can increase is a 2-inch finger size. As you can see, my finger maximum. So if you have a table and a flat inside, you can just directly clip it inside and just tight this screws so that it stay firm. So this all about in the clip. And now the part which you were saying is a bending part, you can see wire socket or a coil socket. It's really very hard. It's made of aluminum, hard aluminum. As you can see, it's very hard. So don't think it will just easily bend. So you need some force to align it. And you can see you can adjust any positions. You can see you can align in any positions, and you can keep any directions. You can rotate also, whatever you like. Now to attach, you can see here, just unscrew it a little bit. You see, just unscrew it a little bit and just put it inside the hole. As you can hear some sound, just pull it again. If it's not fitted perfectly, just push it a little bit so you can hear some sound, and just tight the screws. Now you are ready to attach your mobile devices. So let me bring my mobile. So finally here I have a mobile. You can attach a tablet also. So to attach, you need to attach in the landscape mode, not in this way. But if you're using a tablet, so in case of tablet, you need to attach in the portrait mode. So I'll just attach my mobile devices. So you can see here from behind, you can see, and even you can rotate this as you like into the 360 degree. You can rotate in any directions or any angle as you like. So why I regard it is as a best flexible mobile and tablet stand under rupees 700 or $10, because under this price you won't get such kind of good quality, which is very hard, made of aluminum, and you can even adjust the bottom part in any hard surface, even in the tables or even in the glass, or from the above also. If you ever want to hang, you can just put in this direction also, and you can just tie the screws. From the top also you can just hang, and you can just see from below directions. If you are willing to see it from the top to bottom, then also still it will keep it firmly. So in my point of view, is it our odd purchase to buy this product for the respective price? Yes, I'll definitely recommend it, and I'm sure you don't let you down or don't feel like your all the money that you spend under this product is gone wasted. So in my opinion, definitely you should check it out. And if you have any questions regarding this product, feel free to leave your comments below in the video. So I'll try my best to help and guide you with your problem. So if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.